Yes. Hello, class. How's everybody doing today? Good. Okay, so this past week we have been learning about perimeter, right?
Yes.
So today we'll be reviewing some of that, but we will also be our objective today. We will determine the perimeter of polygons and find the missing side lengths when two sides are given. So open up your journals and I'll give you a few seconds to title, date, and we can start our lesson today. 1, 2, 3. Okay, time's up, guys. Okay, so we've talked about this, right? What are some strategies that can be used to determine the perimeter of a polygon?
Adding all the sides.
Yes, Karen. Something else? Oh, I guess we don't remember, huh? Okay, we don't remember. I'll refresh your mind. Okay, so we learned about formulas, right? We learned about using attributes to determine the perimeter in polygons, right? Okay. This small video, it wouldn't play in the other before it cut me off. Okay, it's not gonna play here. Oh, no way.
Hi everyone! Today we're going to talk about perimeter. Perimeter is the distance around an object. We can calculate perimeter by adding together the length of all the sides of the object. We are going to discuss how to find the perimeter of polygons, which are shapes with straight sides. There are special rules for finding the distance around round shapes, like circles, which we will talk about another time. Because perimeter is a measure of distance, or length, it has to be measured in units.
So I forgot about this, but this are or I don't know if I mentioned it at the beginning of class when I asked what are some strategies to find perimeter. Remember some attributes of a square? What do we know about a square?
It has 4 sides.
All the sides are equal.
All the sides are
Equal sides.
Yes, correct. They're all equal sides. So therefore, maybe if later when they don't give us like the all of the units to the sides, maybe we can think of some attributes, right?
Inches, centimeters, or miles. Units are really important when measuring perimeter, and here's why. 8 feet. This triangle is 23 feet. To find the perimeter of the rectangle, we add up the lengths of all the sides. 2 plus 4 plus 2 plus 4 equals.
What do we know about rectangle? Some attributes.
The sides are not equal like a square, so it has 2 sides that are equal and then 2 other sides that are equal to each other.
Right. So its opposite sides are equal, like Karen said. Okay, for time's sake, we are not gonna watch the whole video, but I'm glad we know some of this. Let's move to the next one. How does perimeter connect with real life? So how will I apply this to real life? Why do I need to know perimeter? Is it like something we're just learning to learn, or why do we need to learn about perimeter?
If I need a fence around my house, I have to know the perimeter to know how much fence to buy.
Yes, Karen. I know Karen is not my only student in this class. Can I have somebody else?
Like Karen mentioned, it's important because when we need to measure. So like maybe if we're like remodeling our house or something, we need to know how much the sides and stuff is going to be.
Yeah, so I'm not going to walk into Home Depot and just be like, I need this much and this much of material, right? Without knowing any measurements. So yes, correct. Thank you, Carolina. So now let's try it. Let's try to find the missing line for this square. we don't know the full perimeter. They're giving us a 9, but we don't know the other sides. Can anyone find it really quick?
Is it 36?
36, yes. So you're right, Mary. Let's say we were in the STAR test. We have a formula, right? We have a
Yes.
cheat sheet, sorry. And in that cheat sheet, we have a formula we can use to make it all easy. It's P equals, when we're using squares, right? Can someone remember the formula?
P equals L plus L plus W plus W.
Yes, correct, Karen. And to make it easier, it could be S times I don't remember it. Honestly. Sorry, I thought I had it in my mouth, but yes. So let's move on to this rectangle. How can we find the missing length here?
So we know that since the top is 35, the bottom's going to be 35, and then the other side will be 12 as well because it's a rectangle.
Yes, Carolina, thank you for remembering those attributes.
I just don't know the total yet. I'm counting still.
No problem. All righty, so we're almost there. So which tool would y'all use to find the length of this object? Let's say the door. What would y'all use?
A tape measure.
A tape measure. Could I use a ruler?
Can.
You can, but it's going to take longer.
Yeah, it will. How about this file cabinet?
Maybe a meter stick.
A meter stick. Thank you, Karen. And last, what would y'all use for the stapler?
A ruler?
A ruler, yes. Okay, so here, since this is a perimeter game, if y'all ever would like to play it, it's regarding perimeter. So it's asking us which of color shape has a perimeter of 12. And what did we say? How can we find perimeter?
It's L squared plus W squared.
Yes, so basically we're just adding up all sides, right, for perimeter. So it's asking us for the 12 units. Which one here would we choose for 12 unit that equals 12 units?
I think it can be the green and the blue. No, wait. Yeah.
Okay, so which one has 16 units?
The green.
Okay, so this is pretty much it. And then I have another. Last game, and this is today's objective. Regarding today's objective. Sorry, my internet. Okay, we're done. Thank y'all so much for being so great. Bye.
No problem. Thank you.
How do, wait. Pause.